Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the free Markup Hero screenshot app on a Mac. So the first thing you want to do is go to markuphero.com/download and download the Mac DMG. So once that's finished downloading, we'll want to just double click that and open up the DMG. And then drag the app into our applications folder. After that, we can go ahead and open our applications folder and we'll see Markup Hero there. And double click. So ask me if I want to open the app, and we will open the app. There you go. And now Markup Hero is installed and we can see the app right here. But before we can go ahead and take a screenshot, we're going to have to allow Markup Hero to take screenshots. So what we can do is if we actually try to take a screenshot, it'll instruct us to grant the permissions. So what we want to do is go to our system preferences, go to security and privacy, go to screen recording, and then grant Markup Hero the ability to record our screen to take screenshots. So we'll need to open the app again. And now we're ready to take screenshots. So we can either click this button or hit Command-Shift-1. And wow, you can see the link is copied to my clipboard and the screenshot is automatically uploaded to Markup Hero. And now you're ready to take screenshots and share them with Markup Hero for free. And if you have any questions or any problems at any point, you can always reach out to us on Intercom, which is handy here at all times. And if by chance you don't see Markup Hero in your privacy screen recording, you might have to restart your Mac to see it there. So I hope this was helpful. And as I said, if you have any questions, feel free to always reach out to us on Intercom. Thanks.